Hi everybody, James here from Kicks of Maryland, and I'm back today with another review. Something a little different today. This is not a sneaker box, as you can kind of tell, kind of from its size, but this is actually a piece of luggage. So those of you who might have seen, Nike actually dropped its first kind of regular suitcase collection, 3 different sizes: your carry-on luggage, which would be this one, which is about 52 liters, your kind of medium size, which I think is about 96 liters, and then your kind of full-on, kind of big, full-on, what I want to say, ginormous size suitcase, which I think hits around 152 liters. I went with the carry-on. It comes 2 colors. The carry-on, at least, it comes in a black, and then it comes in like this typical Nike green Volt colorway, which I got. The other 2 variations, the 96 and 152, I think it is, come in just black. So I'm going to take it out of the box, take a look at it, and see what you think. Okay, so here it is. Here is the Nike carry-on roller in this kind of Volt slash bright green colorway. It's more of a green rather than the kind of typical Nike Volt, I think, but it is obviously very bright. So again, it is 52 liters. So in terms of the dimensions itself, according to the label, it is 22 by 14 by 10. So you shouldn't have any issues kind of putting it in the overhead space, which is obviously the reason I got this. So as you can see on the front, you get this nice big swoosh, which I think is fairly distinctive. And then I think what the coolest thing is on the back is this kind of Air Force One, essentially kind of sole that's been printed onto the side of the case. It's rigid, it's pretty good. Like, it's not super hard. There is still some flex to it, but it's not a soft case by any means. Comes with your TSA approved lock on the side, so you can kind of obviously lock in your zippers. So I'm going to open it up so we can take a look at kind of what the inside looks like. Okay, so it might be hard for you to see. I'll just face it up for you for camera. So it comes with this great inserts, and in it says "Thank you for flying Nike Air," which is kind of a cool little feature. So on one side you get your kind of your big unnetted variation with these interesting clips, and it's really just one big space. It does come with compartment, what do I say, dividers, so you can kind of, that are velcroed in. That's actually quite cool. So you can kind of space them different spaces, like kind of along the area to kind of divide stuff up, or you can just leave it as one kind of big compartment, which I probably will, at least for now. So that's on one side. So that's quite nice that they kind of fit in with Velcro to the side, so you can keep them with you. So maybe on the way out on a flight, you don't need them. And then on the way back, maybe with your dirty clothes or dirty shoes, you might want to separate them from the rest of your stuff. You can kind of create like a separate little apartment, which is quite nice. On the other side, you get like more of a netted version that has then 2 zip pockets. In one of these pockets, it comes with, I have absolutely no idea, what looks to be a sponge. Maybe it's like a magic eraser to kind of wipe off dirt. I really have no idea. It's quite interesting. See if it says anything. Oh yeah, lock and sponge instructions. So it comes with a sponge. First, it also tells you how to do the lock. That's very obvious, I think, for the most part when it comes to these types of things. They're all kind of the same, but I didn't expect to get a sponge. To use a sponge, wet the sponge, squeeze out excess water to remove scruffs, gently wipe the stuff. Okay, yeah, so either this scuffs up quite quickly, which is why they've included a sponge, or they just thought it'd be funny. I don't know. I'll keep the sponge in there for now, I guess, because that's going to maybe be useful. So if I unzip this side, again, comes with another kind of fairly decent compartment. Comes with a couple of stickers. So your Nike Air, Soul Food, Nike Fly, Nike Country, love that. And then kind of two soles of like a Air Force One. So that's obviously where they got the inspiration from. So overall, nice looking suitcase. Quality looks pretty solid, as I think that you'd expect for them to kind of get into the luggage game. In terms of price point, this was the 52 liter, like I said, the carry-on, and this retails for $160. I did have a discount code, so I was able to get it for a little less. In terms of price, I don't know where that kind of is in relation to luggage. I'm not that into my luggage that I know what kind of different price points are, but I'm sure it's kind of not cheap, but I'm sure it's not probably the most expensive you could get. So it comes with the expanders here on the side. But it seems like most airlines these days are asking you to actually zip those up now before boarding. So yeah, so there you have it. So feel free to shoot me any specifics that you have. I'm obviously kind of on a wooden desktop, but it does roll very nicely with the four wheels, so that's always a pro. Has the nice padded handle actually, and then has like the different variations in terms of how high you want it. So honestly, fairly sturdy feel to it, so I'm actually quite impressed. But the bigger variations, obviously price jumped. I think the big one was close to maybe 460. I can't remember exactly, but they do get kind of pricey, but hopefully they last. So again, please hit the subscribe button. Obviously luggage isn't my usual. I will get back to sneakers, but please like, share, comment. You might have somebody who thinks this is of interest to them, and I'll be back again with another review soon.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming.